Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to replace battery in Google Nest Thermostat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The Google Nest Thermostat does not have a removable or replaceable battery like typical devices. Instead, its built-in battery is rechargeable and is charged through the HVAC system wiring. However, if the battery is not holding a charge or your thermostat is unresponsive, you can take the following steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So step 1 is to check the battery level. On the Nest thermostat, go to the settings, technical info and power, and check the battery voltage. For the Nest models, the voltage should be above 3.6 volt for normal operation. If it's below the level, the battery may need charging or troubleshooting. Step 2 is to recharge the battery manually. If the thermostat is not receiving enough power from your HVAC system, you can manually recharge it. Remove the thermostat display. Gently pull the thermostat display straight off the base. Be careful not to damage the pins that connect to the base. Connect to USB charger. Use a micro USB or USB-C for newer models. Plug the other end into the wall charger or computer charge for at least 1 to 2 hours and then recharge the display. Step 3 is to verify the power from HVAC system. If the battery issue persists, the thermostat may not be receiving sufficient power from the HVAC system. Check the C wire. AC wires provide continuous power to the thermostat. If your system does not have one, the thermostat may rely solely on the battery, which can drain quickly. Inspect HVAC systems. And then step 4 is to reset the thermostat. If the battery issue does not resolve after charging or verifying, try resetting the thermostat. Go to the settings, reset, and then restart on your thermostat display. If needed, perform a factory reset. You'll need to set it up again afterward. And then lastly, the step 5 is to contact Google support. If the battery still doesn't hold a charge after troubleshooting, the internal battery may need replacement, which should be done by Google Nest support or a professional. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.